It's never been a situation where I'm like just frustrated. I'm like, the right work's not coming my way, or I need to get out and be seen more, get clicked at the airport or coming out of the gym and stuff.
राइटिंग को लेके थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा मुझे लगता है कि सिक्योर होना चाहते हैं कि राइटिंग में वो सब डालो जो एक हिट मसाला हो सकता है. You need to experiment.
There is a lot of blind faith that is put irrespective of somebody not performing. Multiple chances given until you have the audience watching them again and again till they probably become better.
From what I hear, people do cast according to the number of followers you have. But I think that's a really silly thing.
Hi everyone, welcome to The Quint.
Hi.
Hi.
When we watch you on screen, we think, okay, now you've surprised us enough. Ab mani what you can do, then you come and you do this dance number and everyone's talking about it so much. There's so much buzz about it. What kind of a role does a director play in challenging the perception of an actor? And do you think it's happening enough in the industry? Because this is very different from what
quite
anybody
enough.
would have thought.
होना चाहिए ज़्यादा
हाँ जी.
ज़्यादा लिखा जाना चाहिए उस तरह से. But I don't think it's happening that often. There are very few scripts when you read them and you feel challenged as an actor कि कुछ लगाना पड़ेगा यहाँ, कुछ ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी या कुछ ज़्यादा बिलीफ देना पड़ेगा अपने आप को. ऐसा मुझे लगता है बहुत कम स्क्रिप्ट्स के साथ होता है. बीन लकी अबाउट दैट एंड बट आई स्टिल बिलीव दैट देयर इज लैक ऑफ गुड राइटिंग. And if it's not there, then it's not coming to anybody.
Now talking about roles, when you decided to kind of take a step back, was it because of the kind of scripts that were being offered? Did you want to kind of wait for what felt like to you, okay, this is what I want to now do on screen? Was it like a conscious decision when you said, okay, I'm going to take a step back?
No, it wasn't really about consciously stepping back or anything like that.
Okay.
It was just about waiting for the parts that I enjoy,
Yeah.
really. Sometimes you don't get the parts that you have your heart in, and you step back and you can keep waiting for those parts, or you can start developing those parts. So what I chose to do was put a writer's room together
Nice.
and start putting scripts together that I wanted to act in and I wanted to produce. Everybody, all of us have something that'll come naturally to us. I
Yeah.
think with me it's always been writing and storytelling.
Nice.
And I really sort of wanted to step back and make the most of that. It wasn't a conscious decision because I love being on a set.
Yeah.
It's my favorite thing in the world. I definitely want to do lots of work, but it's more out of a lack of the right kind of work coming my way.
Yeah, I think it's something very similar to what Jaideep also said. But we live in a world and in an industry where there's a possibility when someone's out of sight, it's also out of mind.
Yeah,
Did
sure.
that thought somewhere ever occur to you after you thinking like, I can do it? Could that happen? And is it okay?
Not really, not
Okay.
at all. Fortunately enough for me, also, I don't feel that sense of great frustration. Maybe because I have a lot of other interests in life as well, which I'm very passionate about. So it's never been a situation where I'm like just frustrated. I'm like, the right work's not coming my way, or I need to get out and be seen more, get clicked at the airport or coming out of the gym and stuff. No, it's not something that crosses my mind. I think you might be out of sight for a while and out of mind for a while, but as long as you do the right work on screen, whenever that opportunity arises, you're going to be back in people's minds. So I don't want to go out of my way to, say, hey, I'm here.
Yeah. I think that also
Take a look at
comes,
me.
Sorry, I think that also comes from a deep sense of security.
It does. I do think that I'm quite secure as an individual.
If I had to ask all of you this question about what is the one thing as actors what you're finding really challenging to be a part of the industry?
No, I wouldn't say challenging to be part of the industry, but I think the industry needs to be a little more audacious. I think we need to take a lot more risks.
Yeah.
Obviously, when you look at the films that are working and not working, obviously the old formula is not working anymore. That's, you really need to push the boundaries and the kind of stories that we're telling.
मुझे लगता है सही, बिल्कुल सही कहा भाई ने कि लोग एक्सपेरिमेंट करने से डरते हैं.
हाँ जी.
चाहे वो स्क्रिप्ट लेवल पे हो, चाहे वो एक्टर्स के साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट करने डरते हैं. जो जैसा दिख रहा है उसको वैसा ही. If you believe somebody is a good actor, if you believe somebody is a good writer,
हाँ जी.
then put him in a situation where he's not comfortable. He's not कि अच्छा हाँ ये कर लिया ना, कोई बात नहीं, अब कुछ और करके देखते हैं. और राइटिंग को लेके थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा मुझे लगता है कि सिक्योर होना चाहते हैं कि राइटिंग में वो सब डालो जो एक हिट मसाला हो सकता है. यू नीड टू एक्सपेरिमेंट लाइक भाई सेड. बहुत सारा कंटेंट है जो आप तो देख भी पा रहे हो ना, आप बाहर का इतना सिनेमा देख पा रहे हो. I don't know how they are thinking that, and we are not.
Yeah, I think the biggest
The
risk is
designing
not
of
taking
it.
a risk. You know what I mean?
Designing of it.
That's,
simple story, but the design is different.
Yeah.
Everybody knows Oppenheimer's story, but how he thought like that, and how he designed like that. I don't think it's a very difficult job for an actor if somebody like Nolan prepare this much and put you into the situation. And it's not just the films from outside. Even your cinema, our cinema was like that. Why there is no Gulzar Saab? Why there is no Bankim Da? Why there is no, you know, those films I'm talking about.
Hanji.
And it was not like अभी
Right.
कुछ सालों पहले तक कुछ ऑफ जा रहा है और जिसका मेरा मानना है कि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम पीपल आर ट्राइंग टू, अच्छा जो हिट चल रहा है, जो भी हिट बन रहा है वैसा सा ही कुछ बनाना शुरू कर दो, विच इज़ अ वेरी डेंजरस जोन, क्योंकि एक टाइम के बाद आके वो क्लॉग हो जाएगा, क्योंकि अब सबने वही बना दिया है, नाउ इट्स गॉन।
और वो हो भी रहा है।
वो हो भी रहा है।
Yeah.
One aspect of it, which probably I don't know if these guys have faced so much or you know they've come across, would be I want to highlight on the casting process. I feel like that's something that really we as actors face. What happens is generally you would imagine a very fair casting process that generally happens across,
Yes.
and I guess a lot of things are very transparent in that. But then there's also this entire pressure of one, of course, now with your social media following, which has become a criteria, number one. Number two, I guess there is a lot of blind faith that is put irrespective of somebody not performing, and you know, multiple chances given until you have the audience watching them again and again till they probably become better. Because I guess back in the day, if you notice, a lot of films that came out, it used to have actors that we'd never heard of, we never knew, and if the film worked or if you liked the actor, it was very well accepted by the audience, which now I feel is like something which has become a forceful thing of putting them in our faces constantly through social media, through paparazzi, and then we have no choice but to watch them because now films are just being made with them without a choice. That's probably another reason why films sometimes don't work. Yeah.
You know, you spoke about how followers has also become an important part of casting, right?
Yeah.
Do you like actors believe that that number of followers really translates into work?
It may not translate into work, but it definitely can translate into making money. You can, you know, get your advertisements, you can get your brand deals. But I can't guarantee if you can get good films and your films are going to work with those followers.
Yeah.
I mean, I believe from what I hear, people do cast according to the number of followers you have. But I think that's a really silly thing because, I mean, your followers don't necessarily come to the theatres to watch you, right?
They
might
don't.
you might sit at home and say, oh, this is a nice picture, I like that. Oh, you're looking very nice, looking
Yeah.
good, looking pretty.
Yeah.
But that doesn't mean I'm going to spend like 500 rupees and buy a ticket to watch you.
मेरा पर्सनल ये है कि मुझे वो सिर्फ काम से रिलेटेड रहता है मेरा, बहुत ही गिने चुने ऐसे वक्त होता है, टाइम होता है जब मैं कुछ पर्सनल डालता हूँ वहाँ, अदरवाइज इट्स ऑलवेज वर्क। इफ बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई एम गेटिंग, आई मीन जैसे आपने बोला कि आई एम श्योर मुझे कोई उसकी वजह से फिल्म तो नहीं देगा,
बिल्कुल।
बट मुझे एड फिल्म दे देगा जिसका पैसा बन सकता
Yes.
है।
That's what money.
That's money.
Yeah.
It's business.
बिल्कुल।
It's not personal. I don't like social media a personal relationship. ये मेरा मानना है। उसको बिजनेस की तरह जिसके लिए भी वो फायदेमंद है आप इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो, बट उसको अपना जीवन मत बनाओ, वो आपका जीवन नहीं है।
The film is called Jewel Thief. If I had to ask you, what's the one thing you'd love to steal from one of your co-stars? What would it be and why?
The body, the structure is so well built
Yeah,
up.
yeah.
We can exchange. You can take it and I can get some talent.
Yeah, let's do that.
हाँ चलो ऐसा कर लेते हैं मांडवाली
Done.
उनके पास इतना टैलेंट है, बोले
हाँ,
थोड़ा
वो
ले
तो
लो
ले
तो
लो,
मेरे
कोई
पास
बात
भी
नहीं,
बचेगा.
And
It's
actually,
okay.
I messaged him after I saw Patal Lok 2.
Oh, that was so sweet.
I
said,
also
"यार,"
did.
I said, what are you
I
going to
also
do with
did.
so much talent?
Yeah.
मतलब थोड़ा तो बांट दो.
I think I really want to steal Steph's, you know, he has this, I don't know how to put it in like a word or something, but he has the quality of wearing anything and still making it look cool. You can give him a piece of rag tone shirt and he will just make it look cool the moment it sits on him.
Talking about Saif is that what I would want from him is his wit.
Yeah.
He's
Yeah.
amazing. He's just got a great sense of humor. Very self-deprecating. That's a department I sort of struggle in with. So I'd like some of his for sure.
Genuinely वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा कूलनेस है
हाँ
और
जी।
नवाबियत जो है ना,
हाँ जी।
उसके साथ एक स्वैग है वो, और वो ऐसा नहीं कि ऑन द फेस है, इट्स जस्ट देयर।
Thank you,
Thank you so much, everyone. Good luck
All right,
for the
thanks,
film.
thank you so
much.
Thank you.